1Go Android big screen player, 10.1 inch, IPS screen. Okay, full menu. Setting, Wi-Fi connection for phone sharing hotspot to connect internet. One plus 16GB storage available, 1GB RAM. Music, 5-band equalizer available, and preset available. And also player available for picture-in-picture. And available function for split screen, hold, and move it left or right. And also available Play Store for you to download application, example like YouTube, Waze, and other APK. This is 1Go Android big screen player, OG-AD310. Video by 1 piece. Thank you.